Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today I have a very special unboxing for you. Something that came in from EMP by EDC. It's Every Man's Pocket EDC. Let's go ahead and take a look. Today I'm opening it up with my EMP EDC Relative. Wonderful knife and 20 CV steel. Let's see what we got. Alright, nothing in there. Ooh, so I don't know if you saw this. There's nothing in the box. Let's see. Nope. This is the Mokutai clip. Can you see that? Make sure we get that in focus. Is that having a little bit of trouble with focusing here? Sorry about that, guys, if it is. Let me see if I can fix that real quick. All right, hopefully that's a little bit better. Sorry, there was a little distraction box out there off to the side. I'll put my knife off here. Got a little different setup going because I'm trying to experiment with some new camera work, so I apologize if it's a little out of focus, but let's try that again. Let's see if we can get that focus. Can you see that? Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm going to put this on this knife right here. If I can get into it. Ooh, that is super adult proof, huh? Oh man, look at that. Wow. I don't think I've ever had Mokutai before. Oops, sorry. Mokutai, look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, so that's going to be put on here, so I'm super excited about that. Let me move this box out of the way. Something over here. I'm going to put this over here. Hopefully it's out of sight. All right, get that off to the side. Let's look what's in this box. Ooh, a little silicate packet, that's fine. Nice box. This looks a little similar, a little different than the last one I had, but let's go ahead and open this up. The Relative Blade Steel Elma. All right, so what do we have in here? Oh, we got some stickers and stuff, so that's cool. I always like stickers. Do we have a few stickers? Yeah, we do. We have a few stickers in there. Yep, so there we go. Very cool. All right, let's put these off to the side. And that's our card, Relative Elma. Do you see that? Elma. Sorry, the camera's switched, so I'm used to going over here instead of over here. So if it looks like I'm not following it well, you know, I am. We're switching things up a little bit. All right, so this is what we got right here. Again, I want to go over here. This is the Relative in black, all black. I don't know if it's PVD. I should probably, maybe I'll say on the card. Black steel, so that's all it says. All right, so black, all blacked out here. Look at that. Hardware's all black, except for the little atomic right there, right? So that's cool. All right, so let's go ahead and give it a flip. This is the drop point as opposed to the other one, right? So the one over here is a harpoon, or I guess you can say clip point, right? So that's the difference that we're looking at right here between the two. Drop point, Elma blade steel. Yeah, so one's blacked out, both hollow grind, but this is a drop point over here. All right, so let's look at that tip. It seems to be a little shiny in a weird angle. And it browned it just a little bit, but let's feel that edge. Now, relatively thin edge. Can you see that? Relatively thin edge on both sides. As opposed to this one, it's a little similar. So see, this one has a little corner right there for the tanto. So this is more of a tanto blade shape, right, with a harpoon. So let's see our action here. Nice. Okay, still breaking in. So we got Elma. Can you see that right there? Elma. Over here we have, oops, a little dirty because I use them, right? CPM, oh, I keep going to the left, to the right. I mean to the left, sorry. CPM 20 CV. So that's the difference. All right. Let's see, still nicely milled out on the inside. I don't know if you can see that with the camera here. See if we can get that. And here you'll see this is number 30. I wonder what this one was over here. This one was number 40. So I have 30 and 40. That's kind of cool. Interesting combination. I do like this hollow grind. Yeah, definitely a nice hollow grind. Comes to a crazy thin edge. And what I like about the Relative, if you haven't checked it out, is you can drop that puppy right there. It's not going to guillotine your finger. Nice action there. Yeah, definitely can flip that puppy. Let's see. All right, let's make sure we're nice and centered. Are we? Yeah, we are. Let's check our lockup. All right, so can we see that? It's the dark blade, so it's a little harder to see sometimes. So I'm going to say we're about 15–20%, which is nice. No blade rock, nice and solid. Action is beautiful. I do like that. A little tight on the detent, but that's okay. You know, it'll break in and I may tune it, who knows, when I go ahead and put the Mokutai clip on the other one. So I don't know what the Mokutai clip would look like on this one. So let's take a look at that. What do you guys think? Mokutai clip on the all blacked out one? Or do you think the Mokutai clip should be on this one? You guys can let me know down in the comments below. Oops. So I'm thinking, now I wish I had a little other hardware for it. Maybe I should have gotten some brass hardware, but I think, looking at this, let's see. Yeah, okay. And let's look at this one here. It's kind of a pretty wild standoff, right? It's got a little something on there. I don't know if that's typical of Mokutai. I don't know much about it. But man, that's kind of crazy, huh? You see that? It's pretty though. I don't know if this little rub marks or whatever there is normal. I'll have to see if we can wipe that off, if that comes off. That's a pretty good scratch mark on there, huh? Let's see if I can put a little water on there. Well, it's my first time with Mokutai, and I don't know if it's supposed to have those little kind of marks. I'll have to ask him. It's kind of a bummer, right? You can see that right there. It's like a little, I don't know if it's a scratch or imperfection in the steel or what. I don't know. I mean, on the back here, I don't know about, you know, it's out of sight. I don't care as much, but here, it's just kind of a bummer. So, I guess it's part of the steel. I guess that's typical. I guess I'll look at the pictures online to see if they look very different than this. But you can really see it with the reflection. And I don't know if I'm being nitpicky or not, but you guys let me know as well if you've had Mokutai before. So I was thinking I would put that. I don't know. That might just look dope. Dope or cool on this one. So we'll have to give it a try. Very cool. All right, so this is pretty basic unboxing. This is the black one. It's got the drop point, which is different than the clip point. I had a Nimble X that I liked a lot, but it had the flipper here, right? And so when you flipped it, and you dropped it, it would always catch because of that flipper. And then once I got cleared of it, this part would be down here and guillotining, cutting my finger. So I really like the Relative. And I know I broke a rule here. You guys all know that. I broke a rule. Got the same knife. But, I mean, there's three very big differences for me. Completely different color, blacked out as opposed to not. Drop point as opposed to a clip point. And, of course, we've got 20 CV as opposed to LMAX. Both excellent steels, right? So, I mean, we know the size and the specs on this. They're all going to be pretty much the same. That black, though, is really nice, though. I do like that. I like that a lot. It's really cool. The action's really nice. Very cool. All right, but that's really it. And then we've got the Mokutai clip with the little spots on it. that I'm not sure what they are. Taken away from some of the design. Yeah, it's like a big old smear on the design. I'll have to ask about that. It's kind of a bummer. Yeah, look at that. I wish it just went away. I wish it was something that just cleaned up, but it's not. That's kind of a bummer. So again, I mean, I know if I'm kind of, focused on this, but hey, you spend a lot on a clip. You want it to look nice, right? I mean, I think that's kind of reasonable. I don't think that's unfair. So you tell me if that's unreasonable. So I don't know. I don't know how this works. I'll have to do some research. Yeah, I know I broke the rule. I broke the rule, and I got a similar knife, but I figured it was different enough. And I like this knife. This is one of my absolute favorite knives of the year, I have to tell you. It really is. I mean, I don't know. I've got quite a few favorite knives right now. I mean, I do really, 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 really like the Chavez Redención 229. That is super sweet. I like the 9, but the Relative is a little nicer. I really, really like my Quiet Carry large LC Drift. Really, really like this guy a lot too. This one's nice. Really fun knife. I enjoy that. The ergonomics on this thing are just ridiculous, right? Oops. Almost slipped there. So, really, really nice on this one. I do enjoy this one a lot. And this one's in the LC200N, which is a great water resistance. And then I like the Manix one that I got and the Elamic Custom. So, those are just a few of the ones. I also like my WE knives Trogan. That one was really nice too. It's pretty. I'm just kind of worried if I put it on there, I'm going to not be able to return it or get another one. Anyways, that is my unboxing for you. If you guys have any questions about this unboxing, any comments you'd like to put down below, any suggestions, I'd love to hear from you guys. Also, we got the big 2K giveaway coming up really, really close. So I'll be announcing the giveaways, or at least kind of hinting at them coming up. We'll be giving away 3 knives. It's going to be a fun evening. And we'll probably give a little time to make sure we're over that mark and securely over there, but it looks like it's happening sooner than later. I can't tell you how grateful I am to the knife community. I mean, the channel got rated by Tri-State EDC, and it got rated by, well, I think Lefty did it one time too. It was late in the evening, but it was also rated by Javon, which was really cool. And who else? I'm forgetting somebody. Oh my gosh. Somebody else. Who am I forgetting? I know I'm forgetting somebody else. Anyways, I've been working so hard lately and for a project, and I'm exhausted. I didn't get any sleep the other night. Wasn't feeling well really today. So here we are trying to remember stuff, and I feel bad if I can't make mention of that. But it's just really cool. I love the knife community. You guys are great. You guys are pretty awesome out there. And thank you to every one of you guys. And thank you to all the other awesome knife channels. I really appreciate it. And I want to make sure I'm kind back, and we just share that love to one another. So you guys have a great evening. Thanks for watching. And hey, if you found this unboxing, which is kind of, I'm out of sorts because one, I'm completely changing my set here, and I might be changing the cameras too. I'm going to be using my digital SLR camera, trying to get that rig set up here for that. It's going to be supposedly a little better resolution and stuff. And then I'm going to be using getting a second camera ready so that when we do the lives, some people have wanted to see my face, I guess. So, because apparently my little pictures and my little, my little GIFs or whatever you want to call them, the little thumbnails that are on the videos. So anyways, so I'm trying to do that so you can interact more, right? Then also, I'm also changing, hopefully, the audio too. I have a different mic, but I don't have everything ready for that. I'm missing a wire that I needed to use for that one. It's going to be like a wireless mic, so I'm trying to do all that. But if you found this interesting, you found this fun, informative, just you know, something worth your time, would you consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've hit the like button, would you consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel really helps out a lot. It allows me to grow, to be able to do more things, and ultimately do more things for you guys. Like, I've got a new affiliate. Blade Ops reached out to me, and I have a Blade Ops affiliate down at the bottom if you haven't checked it out. If you use that link, the channel benefits a little bit from that, and I'm very appreciative if you would. So go check out Blade Ops and use my link in my in the description below. I really would appreciate that. And thanks to Blade Ops for reaching out and allowing me to be part of their affiliate program. I'm super honored and appreciative. Yeah, so that's kind of the things that it does. You know, and if you liked all of that, then maybe hit the notification button down below so you can be notified of future content. And if you haven't checked me out yet, maybe go over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives on Instagram. Again, that's robs_nerdy_knives on Instagram. Hey, thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.